Okay, you want to learn the Blender basics. Well, you've come to the right place. To start, I don't know. You guys use Mac, so you guys don't have middle mouse button. By the way, keybinds, any key I press, like if I press anything, you guys can see it. The first thing I recommend you do, because those keyboards don't have numpads, is you go to input and press emulate numpad, because now, one way you press 1, 3, 7, 9 are like keypads to go into different views. Like this is, I believe, front. This is the front on, but if I press N, now I'm looking at the back. If I press 3, I'm looking at side view, and then if I press N, I'm looking at the other side. And then if I press 7, top down, 9 is the other. Anyhow, to start off, we're just gonna do some simple edit mode stuff for modeling. So to start, I'm gonna turn on, this is the snap button. This is so, like, example, you can get, like, you see how it's kind of snapping grid. Whereas if I turn that off, it's now not snapping that grid. Okay, so what I want you to do is press on that, press from object mode to edit mode, and now you are in edit mode. Select different modes. What I also want you to do, hold Z and then press 4, or just press this little button, which goes to wireframe view, so you can see. Now, to start, let's say, you know, I wanted this to be a bit longer, okay? Press G, and then I can extend it out, just like that. And there we go. Now, if I go to solid view, now it's a bit bigger. Now, if I go to wireframe view again, and let's say I want it smaller. Bada bing, bada boom, now it's smaller. You get what I mean. That's to do that. But let's say, you know, I wanted to do that, but I wanted to have it at a different size. Well, the way you can do that is you can press E to extrude, and now it's got a different segment of sections. You can't really see it now because I haven't done anything. But for example, if I wanted to, let's say, make another thing, you can turn on snap for rotate and scale too. So now it's scaled to a grid. Let's say I wanted to make like a vent, the thing that you see on the top of a roof. Well, now you can see it gets bigger. But that's a way you can use the extrude feature. Another feature, press Control and R, or Command and R to get this, and then it'll appear this. Now once you do that, it'll kind of like, this is called subdivision, but this will give you, essentially it's like extruding, it's like cutting an extruded part in half. So kind of, I don't know if I'm making any sense now. But yeah, look at that, now I have like a little bird bath thing. Let's say you don't want to use cube, press Shift A, and you got UV sphere, which you can use sphere. Then you do this, which icosphere I haven't really done much with. And let's say you wanted to merge two objects together now that you have this, whatever this is. It's like a top half with a cone on it, but you press Control or Command J, that'll pull together. So now they're interlinked. But now, if I go into edit mode, and I go to the numpad, if I go to view, I can now edit it all like that. And bada bing, bada boom. Now you have it. So, this monkey, right? It looks polygonal, right? Well, if I right click it and then press shave smooth, now it's not polygonal. It's still pretty low quality looking, but it's not as polygonal. Another thing you can do is if you want it to not look kind of that, you can go to the little like wrench icon for the modifiers. Go to bevel. Bevel will add you know, like kind of as you can see, that's one way of doing it if you want to keep that kind of blocky look. But another way you can do it is doing subdivision. Subdivision surface, and as you can see, boom, now it's smooth. And you can keep upping it as far as you want. Now, I have a pretty beefy computer. I wouldn't suggest you put it up to like... But yeah, you get what I mean. Yeah, so it just crashed. But, yeah, that's the basics of Blender.